Yeah, yeah. Let go. Yeah, yeah. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button, press play, get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. This loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up? Chef Dice, what up? Dice, what up?
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen in this good kitchen. So it's lunchtime right now. I have my mother-in-law. I'm fixing to make her a nice little lunch. And also one of her family members that she take care of and she feed him every time. So I want to give him a little flavor. He's 91 years old. And you know what I mean, she take care of him. So I'm gonna cook him a little something, you know. So first we gonna do, I have me some sunflower oil right here. Let this bad boy get nice and hot. So we'll go ahead and let this get hot real quick. Alright, so what we making, we have some, this is her little favorite. She like these wontons. And I also have me some turkey patties in there that I broke apart. So we gonna saute it, give it a nice little seasoning with this sunflower oil. Alright, now here go the flavor, a little garlic powder, not much, just a little something. Some organic, no salt seasoning. And some dash seasoning. Just go cook this together, you know what I mean? Let it do its thing together. A nice saute. We went to Costco yesterday, and she like, that's my favorite right there. I'm like, alright. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna make her lunch tomorrow. You know, we had our little one-on-one first time together. And then, you know what I mean, I had a good time with my mother-in-law. She had a good time. My wife was at work, so we just had our little time. Chopped it up, laughed, joked. Walked through Costco with her. Alright, I ain't gonna mix them too much because I want these little wontons to stay together. So this how we looking. I'm gonna put a top on this bad boy and let it just start its little cooking. You know, nothing to it but to do it, you hear me? Okay, so now I'm about to go ahead and top it off with a little bit of cheese. Some Mexican style blowing cheese. And then we're gonna put this bad boy on a nice plate. You know what I mean? Alright, so here we go right here. A nice little put together lunch. Some of them broke apart, but hey, got a little cheese in there. So they fix to get their grub on right now. So that's how we looking. So your boy put a little lunch together for the mother-in-law and the family member. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget that bell notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice. Yes, sir.